Before a robot can think, it must see. Vision is one of the most important building blocks of the robot age. Every humanoid robot must recognize people, identify objects, measure distance, understand depth, and safely navigate the physical world. None of that is possible without advanced cameras, image sensors, laser technologies, and machine vision systems. In this chapter, we'll explore 5 companies building the vision layer of the robot age and why they could become important enablers of the next generation of intelligent machines. Let's start with Sony. Sony is the world's leading image sensor company. Its advanced CMOS sensors allow robots to capture images, recognize objects, measure depth, and understand the world around them. In the robot age, these sensors could become the eyes of millions of future humanoid robots. It's important to remember that Sony is not a pure robotics company. Its image sensors are already widely used in smartphones, autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and security systems. Robotics is simply another long-term growth opportunity that could further increase demand for its technology. From a technical perspective, Sony is trading at an important support level. After breaking above $20 in late 2024, the stock gained nearly 50% before correcting back to the same area. Today, the $20 level also aligns with the 200-day moving average. While short-term volatility could push the stock lower, holding this support may provide the foundation for a move back toward its previous highs. Next stock. ON Semiconductor is a leader in intelligent sensing technologies that help robots understand the physical world. Its advanced image sensors, depth sensing systems, and infrared technologies allow humanoid robots to recognize objects, measure distance, and navigate complex environments safely. As robot vision becomes more sophisticated, ON's technologies could play a key role in giving robots a deeper understanding of the world around them. Like Sony, ON Semiconductor is not a pure robotics company. Its sensing technologies are already widely used in automotive, industrial automation, and machine vision. Humanoid robotics is simply another fast-growing market that could drive additional demand for its products. From a technical perspective, ON Semiconductor has experienced significant volatility. After reaching a high near $110 in 2023, the stock declined by roughly 70%, before recovering to around $60, where it initially met resistance. Since April 2026, however, the stock has surged approximately 118% to a new high near $136, supported by renewed enthusiasm for AI infrastructure, industrial automation, and the accelerating commercialization of humanoid robotics. Today, the stock is consolidating above the former $110 resistance level, which has now turned into an important support zone. As long as that level holds, the long-term uptrend remains intact, and the stock has the potential to reach new highs. Investors should remember, however, that ON Semiconductor is a relatively volatile stock, and sentiment around AI, robotics, and the broader semiconductor sector can lead to sharp corrections, potentially bringing the price back toward the $60 area before the next major move. Next to Amba. Ambarella develops advanced AI processors that serve as the vision intelligence behind autonomous machines. Its chips combine data from cameras, LiDAR, radar, and other sensors, allowing robots to understand their surroundings, measure depth, recognize objects, and make decisions in real time. As humanoid robots become more capable, Ambarella's low-power AI processors could become a key component of the robot vision ecosystem. Like the other companies in this series, Ambarella is not a pure robotics company. Its technology is already widely used in automotive, security, and industrial vision systems. Humanoid robotics represents an additional long-term growth opportunity rather than the company's only business. From a technical perspective, Ambarella is a highly volatile stock driven by future expectations. During the AI and autonomous driving enthusiasm of 2021 to 2022, the stock reached record highs before falling more than 80% as valuations across the technology sector normalized. Since then, the stock has repeatedly found support around $40, while facing resistance near $100, creating a broad trading range of roughly 150%. Since the April 2025 low, the stock has made 2 attempts to challenge the upper part of this range. Today, it trades around $60, just below the important $65 level, which has acted as both support and resistance over the past few years. If the robot age continues to develop and demand for advanced vision processors accelerates, Ambarella could once again move toward the $100 region and potentially beyond. At the same time, investors should expect significant volatility, as the stock remains highly sensitive to future expectations and sentiment surrounding AI, autonomous systems, and robotics. Let's move to light. Lumentum develops the optical technologies that give robots true depth perception. Its VCSEL laser arrays and photonic components power 3D sensing cameras and LiDAR systems, allowing robots to measure distance, understand space, and safely navigate the physical world. As humanoid robots become more advanced, these optical technologies could become a critical part of the robot vision ecosystem. Like the other companies in this series, Lumentum is not a pure robotics company. Its technologies are already widely used in optical networking, AI data centers, telecommunications, and industrial applications. Humanoid robotics represents another long-term opportunity that could further increase demand for its advanced photonics. From a technical perspective, Lumentum is a highly volatile stock, often reacting sharply to changes in AI sentiment, data center spending, and future growth expectations. The stock began to recover during 2025, and a major breakout above $396 in January 2026 triggered a powerful rally. Supported by strong demand for AI infrastructure, optical networking, and photonic technologies used in next-generation computing, the stock surged roughly 180%, reaching a new high in May 2026. Since then, the stock has corrected by around 30% and now trades roughly 25% below its recent high. The $780 area is currently acting as an important support level. As long as that level holds, the long-term uptrend remains intact, and the stock has the potential to move toward new highs. However, if sentiment weakens and the $780 support fails, investors should be prepared for a deeper correction that could eventually bring the stock back toward the $400 area where the current uptrend originally began. And the last one. Teledyne develops advanced machine vision and imaging systems that allow robots to see far beyond normal human vision. Its cameras and sensors operate across visible light, infrared, ultraviolet, and even X-ray wavelengths, helping robots recognize objects, detect obstacles, and navigate safely in complex environments. As humanoid robots move into real-world applications, Teledyne's imaging technologies could, and even X-ray wavelengths, helping robots recognize objects, detect obstacles, and navigate safely in complex. Like the other companies in this series, Teledyne is not a pure robotics company. Its technologies are already widely used in aerospace, defense, industrial automation, scientific research, and machine vision. Humanoid robotics represents another long-term opportunity that could further expand demand for its advanced sensing and imaging solutions. From a technical perspective, Teledyne has shown a strong long-term uptrend. Beginning in 2022, the $490 level acted as a major resistance zone, rejecting several breakout attempts. In June 2025, the stock finally broke above that level, rallied roughly 22%, then successfully retested the breakout before launching another 40% to a record high near $691 in February 2026. Before launching another 40% to a record high near $691 in February 2026. Since then, the stock has been consolidating between $570 and $690, creating an important trading range. A breakout above this zone could open the door to new all-time highs and continued momentum. On the other hand, if the stock breaks lower, the former $490 resistance is likely to become a major support area where buyers may step back in. As long as that long-term support remains intact, the technical picture continues to support the broader thesis that companies enabling robot vision could benefit from the continued development of the robot age. Humanoid robots may be the machines we see, but behind every robot is an invisible ecosystem of companies building the technologies that make autonomy possible. Robot vision is one of those critical layers, giving machines the ability to understand and interact with the physical world. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to better understand the sectors, trends, industries, and companies shaping the future economy, subscribe to NAVIXA. Because understanding the market starts with understanding its structure.